The vocabulary word we are exploring now is microscope. Microscope. A microscope opens up hidden worlds, where even the tiniest things reveal grand details under a lens. Meaning of microscope. A microscope is an optical instrument used to view very small objects, such as cells or bacteria. Examples: she examined plant cells through the microscope. The scientist cleaned the lens of the microscope. Under the microscope, the tiny insect looked enormous. Short story. Dev was fascinated by science. On his birthday, he received a microscope. The first thing he placed under it was a drop of pond water. To his amazement, tiny organisms moved like dancers on a stage. That moment sparked his curiosity forever. The microscope had shown him that wonder lives in the unseen.